channel. For today's video, I have this amazing look that I created for you today using these two palettes by Profusion. I hope you like it, and if you want to recreate it, please keep on watching. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Jennita, and for today's video I have this tutorial for you today with this palette that I bought at Target, Profusion brand, which is super affordable and great quality. So I already tested before some palettes by Profusion, and they are really amazing. So I can't wait to play with this that I got here. But let me tell you something. When I bought these palettes, after I bought it, I realized that there are many shades in those palettes that they are really similar to the Riviera palette. So I think there is missing only 2 shades to be total like the Riviera palette, but I was shocked because I was making a comparison and I realized that. So that's interesting, and it's a good way to have the Riviera without spending too much money. So if you want to see this makeup tutorial, keep on watching. I brought a brush. That's always good. Another one for my collection. So here is the, oh my god, this is so gorgeous. I think this Nebula was in the Pro Pigment palette, but I'm not sure. As you can see, this shades Atlantis, Focus, and Dynamite. These shades that are so similar to the Riviera palette, the shimmerish ones. Infatuation. Okay, this is the Infatuation palette. Let's open this. Another brush. That's awesome. This is so cool. As you can see, I have my face done as usually. So on the description box you will find everything that I used. I prime my eyes with the It Cosmetics by Under Eye Personal. I use the same brush that it's brought, and let's gonna use let's gonna use this Go and Go Girl and see. Hive in the center. I'm gonna intensify the border with this devoted. I'm gonna take Atlantis and see what happens. so pretty. I'm gonna add some glitters to give it pop, but it's okay like that. I'm gonna intensify my transition shade with this Oasis. My inner corner I'm gonna mix too, so I'm gonna add this halo and then I'm gonna add illusion from here, so I will show you this halo. Now it's time for this illusion. Boom! With the rest here. And when I clean the brow bone area with this palette, I'm gonna apply my eyelashes, eyeliner, and I'll be back. So as you can see on my last video, I did use Glitteratzi by Hard Candy as my highlighter with the base. So today I'm gonna use this, which is the Cosmo Queens. Maybelline Superstay. This is this is the Poet, because it's too white. This one, I'm gonna add a tiny halo. This one, which color? And this is the final look. I hope you like it, using these amazing palettes by Profusion, which are so amazing. I hope you like it. Give me your thumbs up, comment down below, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!